Shah Sahab, Dr. Mehmet Pakari, our brother from Turkey as ambassador to Pakistan, federal ministers, and our brother from Turkey, Brother Burhan, Minister for Defense Production, Esrar Tareen, Minister for Maritime, Sayyid Faisal Sabzwari, Minister for Commerce, Sayyid Naveed Kamar, Mr. Ehsan Iqbal, Minister for Planning, Excellencies, honorable guests, officials from Pakistan Navy, and Managing Director, Rear Admiral Salman Ilyas of Karachi Shipyard, और कराची शिपयार्ड के मेरे अजीम इंजीनियर्स भाई और टेक्नीशियंस और वर्कर्स, आप सबको मेरी तरफ से और सबकी तरफ से बहुत मुबारकबाद और सलाम आपको। Dear Brother Vice President, it's really a great pleasure to have you here along with your team members, our brothers from Turkey, on this ceremony of launching Miljam class warship PNS Tariq, and this is the fourth ship of this class and the second one built in Pakistan jointly by Messrs. Asfat Turkiye and Karachi Shipyard and Engineering Works. As we all know, the bilateral relations between Pakistan and Turkey are unique. They are deep-rooted and historic. We are united by a common faith, heritage, and civilization, and we share our perspective on regional and global issues. The relations between our two countries predate the establishment of Pakistan. Khilafat movement, as you know, it was waged by Muslims of the subcontinent to support our brothers and sisters in Turkey. And it was a great manifestation of how strongly we felt for our brothers and sisters in Turkey. Excellency, we celebrate each other's success stories and stand together in the face of challenges. We will never forget the visit of my brother, President Tayyip Erdogan, with his spouse, Madam Amine Tayyip Erdogan, during the most devastating floods of 2010. And I still vividly remember to accompany him to that part of Pakistan where water was flowing like a sea. And there, today we have Tayyip Erdogan Hospital, Madam Amine Tayyip Erdogan Public School, and houses for the affected families who are using those houses. And not only that, we know how funds were raised for affected people in Pakistan, in Istanbul, in Ankara, in Konya, Tabriz and other places. Public contributed hugely to support the people of Pakistan. And now recently, last year, we had climate change, out of climate change, flash floods, which hit this province of Sindh in a devastating manner and other parts of Pakistan. And again, our brothers from Turkey, President Tayyip Erdogan, was there to help us. And that was a very valuable and timely help. This is the level of our relationship, that we share each other's bounties and sorrows. Today's joint venture project is another example of our commitment to support each other, strengthen each other's industries, trade, and enhance our economic cooperation. Your Excellency, you have spoken at length in your excellent speech, and you have thrown light on all important aspects of our two countries. I will only add and say that let us do it now and start running on this wonderful journey of prosperity of the two countries. President Tayyip Erdogan is a great leader and has not only served his people with the outstanding record, which was reflected in his recent wonderful victory as President of Pakistan, President of Turkey. Your Excellency, I think this is high time that we further enhance our strategic cooperation and add on to this wonderful joint venture in many other areas. The Chief of Staff of our Navy, Admiral Amjad Niazi, is fully dedicated to ensure high quality maritime activities, and this Karachi port, Port Qasim, are very busy ports, but we need to really create linkage between Karachi and Gwadar, where business has just started, but it is a great destination to convert this into a huge business center, not only in this area but around the globe. In that we can again join hands, because CPEC, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, is a roaring success. We just had high-powered Chinese delegation, and we have signed and agreed to launch the second phase of CPEC. And this is going to be in multiple directions: green corridor and business corridors, special zones corridors, information technology corridor, and of course in many other areas. And this is bound to increase the quantum of business transactions and through sea and land between China and Pakistan, and in that Turkey is a natural partner, and we would like to invite, I've already proposed this to my brother President Tayyip Erdogan, and I would like to once again renew this invitation that let us join hands in this wonderful story of mutual joint progress and prosperity. I'd also like to thank President Tayyip Erdogan for all his support to this project, which has been completed on time. I would like to convey my sincere gratitude and thanks to Admiral Amjad Niazi, to Managing Director, Pakistan Shipyard and Works, Minister of Defense Production, and all our colleagues, officers, politicians, who have really contributed immensely to make sure this project is completed on time. But above all, I would like to, मैं आप सबका दिल की गहराइयों से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ, अपनी तरफ से, हुकूमत पाकिस्तान की तरफ से, नेवल चीफ की तरफ से, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर शिपयार्ड की तरफ से और पूरे पाकिस्तान की तरफ से कि आपने अपनी शबाना रोज़ मेहनत और दिन रात जो आपने काविशें की हैं, along with our Turkish engineers and Turkish workers and Turkish company by the name of SFET, along with shipyard, जो आपने ये काविशें की हैं, ये तारीख़ इनको हमेशा सुनहरे हरूफ में याद रखेगी और आपकी ये मेहनत इंशाअल्लाह रंग लाएगी और पाकिस्तान की बर्री, बहरी और हवाई जो सरहदें हैं उनको महफूज करने के लिए आपका ये कारनामा हमेशा एक आसान तरीके से तारीख़ याद रखेगी। मैं एक मरतबा फिर आपको सलूट पेश करता हूँ और आपके लिए बहुत आपके लिए तालियां। Finally, I'd like to say that because of this achievement and because of certain actors in the region trying to establish their hegemony and create sphere of influence, it is all the more important that we strengthen our navy and our maritime activities. For that, the government of Pakistan is fully geared to provide all resources at your disposal so that under your able leadership, this security is augmented and becomes ironclad for all times to come. I wish PNS Tariq and the men that will sail in her fair winds and following seas. I also wish KS and EW and SFAT all the best in their future endeavors. Pakistan, Turkey, friendship, Zindabad, Pak Turk Dosti.